Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, May 4th, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. A lot of exciting things going on, a lot to show you. I'm going to start a little differently today. I'll show you guys the email alert that we put out to our subscribers 2 minutes before the Fed announcement and well before Chairman Powell started speaking. By the way, I'll be out Thursday to Sunday. Newsletter customers have known that. But here we have the report out. A move above 41.95.75 likely means a move up to 42.29 or 42.49. Okay, fourth ways are tricky, complicated, dangerous. Be ready for anything or just watch. I want to skip right over there. Do I have that? Here we go. So here was 41.95 where we were sitting, and you can see there were our targets, and it went up. We're going to get back to this later, but that was a nice move, and we were ready for it. Anything above 41.95 right here, and it was going higher, and it even went higher than our targets. Amazing. But we'll get back to that. I want to show you guys the Qs. I don't know why I've been starting with the Qs a lot lately, but we got 5 waves down for wave 1 in red with a circle, wave 2 in red with a circle, and then we've got, if you follow along in the purple, a 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, and 5 down near the target. And you can see here this move up is not even a 382 retracement in the Qs or the Nasdaq. And in the S&P and the futures, it's between the 50% and the 618, or way up here. So the Nasdaq and the Qs, they lead on the way up and they lead on the way down, and they're underperforming in the counter trend bounce. But that's what we're used to. Just wanted to point that out to you guys. Okay, so let's look at the cash S&P. We're gonna look at that and the E-mini futures. Here's the cash. We're looking at a daily. Yeah, that's a daily chart. Let me get everything in there. There's the all-time high. Bear with me. Yeah, I get that a little bit better. All right, we've got 5 waves down for 1 or A, leading diagonal with the fourth wave overlap and the first wave down. There's wave 2 up, and we've got a 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for 4 up. And you can see here, there's the targets, 382, 50%, and 618. You can see this red line here is a 50% at 42.87, and this one in here is a 618. By the way, we got MOB, make or break. Where's the count wrong? 43.70. That's the wave 1 low. Wave 4 high cannot go above the wave 1 low unless it's a leading or ending diagonal, which is rare, but it happens once in a while. So anyway, that's our make or break for that count. You can see our wave 3 target was achieved down here on June 2nd. So I think I have a pic of that on the daily chart. Let me see here. E-minis, this might be it here. That's the hourly. Okay, we'll just use the hourly. Okay, so from that wave 2 high, let me give you guys a little. Here, we'll just go this way. There, we'll go with this one first. Okay, so here's the hourly on the chart. There's the 1 down, the 2 up. There's the 3 down. You can see right there is equal to a 1.618. You got the ABC to 43.07. Okay. And that's where the 4 is between the 50% and the 618. Now we'll show you the chart. And there you can see the 50% is 42.87. The 618 is 43.40. There's a make or break, the wave 1 low of 43.70. And look at this on the 25th, on the 28th, and here we are on the 4th. Okay. And what did we get from here? We got like, I want to say it was 200 and something point decline in 2 trading days from the 28th to the 2nd of May. That also happened in the ES. We'll see shortly. So we'll see what happens here. A little tight stop, if you will, or make or break. It's not too far above, and the 618 is sitting right above there. But that's it on the cash. We're going to move over to the E-mini futures. You can see the daily chart here. The same thing, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we have 2 up, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice here it's between the 4 is between the 50% and the 618. Okay, and right in there, and you can see our 3 down targets for the larger 3 or C down. So we're looking for a 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, and a 5 down target. I might have that daily chart on the ES. Let's see. There it is. This is a little cleaner. Okay, you can see the 1 or A down, the 2 or B up. We've been looking for 3900s back in February. Okay, and it's darn close now. We're in the low 4000s. Okay, we'll see where it goes, but a simple ABC correction, as I was saying, even back in January, from that high would take it down into the 3900s at a minimum. So if C equals A, we're getting to 39.2475 in the future. So there's 1 down of the larger wave 3, 2 up. There's 3 down. It was almost a perfect 1.618. There was our 4th wave targets. There's the make or break, the wave 1 low. 618 lies above, and there's the 500. This was May 3rd. This was pre-market, okay, that we sent out yesterday. So let me get the other hourly bar, E-mini futures, and here is afterwards, okay. And here's that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3. You can see there. Here's that double, and it's looking like a triple top. We had 43.0350 here, and we get 43.03 today. It made a point to get all the way up there. Nothing like shaking out the shorts before you take it down. Get all those stops out of there. They're gonna make most of the people lose most of their money most of the time. But again, we were ahead of it, right here at 41.95. If it goes up, it's going up, and it even exceeded our targets. Okay, but then from that 43.03, there's our wave 5 down targets. You can see there 40.27. 39.52, 39.13, and 38.57. What I put out to our monthly subscribers, I put out multiple reports a day. We'll look for 5 waves down on a 1-minute chart to signify a change in trend to the downside, and then 3 waves up to stay below the beginning of the 5 waves for a change in trend. Our monthly subscribers get those reports multiple times a day, but we'll leave that there. Okay, so we have the hourly. Let's see what else we have here. Let's see, we had the post end the mark. Let me go back to this hourly. I want to show you guys something else here too. Okay, there's all of our targets and prices in, dates and prices in purple, and the wave count in black. And if you guys, we want to get into the 10-minute, my apologies. There's that 10-minute. If you guys look back below here, like I said, we've been given these upside and downside targets for quite some time now. You can see all of them on the up and down. We're giving these targets in advance to the customers like we did today, 2 minutes before the Fed meeting. And last week we had one before Powell spoke and had that move to the downside. Okay, we're getting huge swings up and down. And I'm just publishing the numbers, and the subscribers are using the make or breaks as stops, and the Fibonacci extension and retracement targets for entries and exits. We're getting huge moves. Most traders or investors are getting whipsawed by these huge moves up and down like this today. But we're staying ahead of it and giving our subscribers these targets in advance. So I'll be out the next 4 days, Thursday through Sunday. Let me see what we can leave you guys with here. We'll leave you guys. Let's get a nice clean picture here on. There's the S&P cash. There's what we're looking at. Okay, 4 could still go higher, but that's interesting right there. And there's the nice tight make or break or stop, if you will. And we'll look at the futures, and there's that 43.0350, 43.0350, 43.03. Interesting to see what will happen overnight tonight. Actually, let's take a peek, because futures just opened a couple minutes ago. Let me see if I got what I got on this 1-minute chart here. We'll get that out of the way. Yeah, that 43.03 is still holding. Okay, see what happens overnight, and that's it for today. Until next time, take care, everyone.